Hey guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to test out something else, something that I'm so extremely excited about. I received this beauty. This is the Aurora Glow Kit of Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am so freaking excited about this. I cannot wait to give it a try. And actually, I should say my boyfriend bought this, so I should also say, is it worth my boyfriend's money? But I posted this on Instagram, and as y'all know, there are 101 probably tutorials about this palette already out there when it came out, because it's been a while. But I didn't have it. I do have it now, so I cannot wait to see what it looks like, guys. I am so freaking excited. Let's just begin. Okay, so probably as y'all can see, I'm not wearing any lipstick right now. I don't have highlighter on because I couldn't wait to test this little sucker out. So this is what the palette looks like. And honestly, when I first got it, I was like, huh, is it that small? Is it just me, or is this just really tiny and small? Whenever I saw like YouTubers get this palette, I don't know, for some reason it seemed bigger. Now I paid €15.95 for this. For Anastasia Beverly Hills products, you could get like the whole brow situation and the contour palette I believe they had. You can get that, but not these glow kits. This is actually the first one they had. They had them at the Douglas on the online store. And when I saw this, I was just like, I need to have it. I wanted this for so long, and my boyfriend was kind enough to give it to me. So thank you very much, honey. Okay, now let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it actually has no mirror. I thought it has a mirror. So I will have to go ahead and grab a mirror somewhere. I thought in here there would be a mirror and I could use it. And obviously they have beautiful little foil, and this is the inside, what the palette looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. I'm not really sure if the color actually will come out because of these like lights over here. I don't really think you can see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert a clip right now from this little palette, testing it out, and swatches. Okay, you guys, so this is what the palette looks like. Sorry about this nail. I'm actually working on another manicure, so don't mind that. This is what that beautiful palette looks like, and I'm sorry, I'm filming with just one hand, so I have to, oh my goodness. So I have to be able to open it up. There we go. Okay, so this is the inside. Over here, it says A of Anastasia, obviously the Aurora Glow Kit. And over here are the beautiful highlighters. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of like zoom in and show you guys what they look like. So we have Eclipse, Luna, Spectra, Helia, is that right? Orion, and Lyra. And obviously I will zoom in from one to the other and show you guys swatches. Now let's just do a finger swatch. I'm trying not to push in really hard. They feel very buttery. Let's see what that looks like. Wow, that is beautiful. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. Now let's go, before I switch to like swatches on my hand, let's just move on with Luna on my other finger. Let's just feel how that feels. They are so soft, guys. It is amazing. They feel so buttery, so creamy. It's amazing. Now let's move on to Spectra. I have another finger ready. There we go. Okay, so that's the top row, these three. Now let's go ahead and move with the swatches on my hand. Okay guys, there was no other way to do it than this. I'm filming with my left hand, which is just really uncomfortable. But anyway, from top to bottom, it's the first row. So the first one over here, this swatch right here, is called Eclipse, which is quite a warm kind of a highlighter. It is really beautiful though. It will work out perfectly. It's got like this kind of a pink-ish undertone in there. It's just beautiful. Then under here is Luna, which is very bright and white. It is beautiful as well. And over here is Spectra, which turned out to be much lighter than I really thought it would be, because over here is the top row, See that? And over here are the swatches. Look at that. Look at how light that spectra is. It's beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lower one, which is Helia, Orion, and Lyra. So let's move to the first one, which is called Helia, which seems definitely more green yellowish. Then over here we have Orion, and which is blue, obviously. Not really much to say about it. And then we have a Lyra, which is very like dark golden-ish. Okay, so let's just try them out on the finger again. Very buttery, very nice. I don't even have to press that hard. This is Helia. Look at how beautiful that is. It's just perfect. Sorry, really dry hands. I usually never have dry hands, but today, unfortunately, I do. Okay, moving to Orion. Wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful blue shade. And then over here we have a Lyra. Let's just try that one out. Wow, they look beautiful just on the fingertips like that. Oh, and for the ones who are wondering what this white stuff over here is on my nail, that's my natural nail growing out. As y'all know, I like to put on my natural nails instead of gel, but in this case, I had to put on like fake gel, fake length, if you will, because my nails weren't that long. Okay, and here they are swatched on the hand. Honestly, the camera does not, and I repeat, not do them justice. So it's Helia, Orion, and Lyra. And Helia is very, very bright yellowish. It's beautiful. Oh, it shimmers so much. Orion obviously is the blue one, so for parties or special events this would be amazing. And over here we have Lyra, and as you can see it quite matches my skin tone. So maybe I'll put Lyra on today. I'm not really sure if I'm going to put on Lyra. I'm kind of debating on three, which is Eclipse, Helia, and Lyra, which one to put on today with my makeup. The other three just don't go with it. But so far this palette is just amazing. I cannot wait to put it on my face. Okay, so you guys saw the colors, what they look like on the fingers and on the hand. I am still very much debating which color I'm gonna put on my face today. Let me just grab my mirror for a little bit. I am wearing like this kind of green brownish kind of color, so I'm actually thinking of putting on Helia today, which was this like green yellowish kind of a color. You know what, let's just do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and let's see what it looks like on the face. Wow, there is actually like no fallout. Are you kidding me? Look at that. This is amazing. Oh wait, I see a little bit like specks of glitter falling off, but that is it. Wow, I expected a lot of fallout, but there isn't. Okay, so I'm using my Real Techniques brush, and let's put this on the face. Okay, so let me just get the hair back, and look. Whoa, wow, okay, that is powerful. Holy cow, I did not expect this. Oh my goodness, that might even be a little bit too much highlighter. Wow, okay. I have to say it is kind of grainy though. That's not really a good thing. Let me just put even more on top. Wow, you definitely do not need a lot. This, to go out now in like actual daylight, this just might already be too much. I'm not really sure if you guys are seeing anything on the viewfinder. I can't really tell, but wow, in real life, holy cow. Okay, a bit on the nose. I don't want to like overdo it, so I have to work with my fingers yet again, which y'all know I hate, but I mean, this is the first time I'm trying this out. Wow. Oh my freaking Lord. This is amazing. Okay, on the top of the lip. Okay guys, I went ahead and put on my lipstick. I didn't want to put on lipstick when I put on my highlighter because I don't want the brush to get stuck like, you know, in the lip gloss or lipstick. Okay, we've put it on. My thoughts. Hopefully you guys are able to see that on camera. I'm trying like to move my head. I'm not really sure if the camera picks up any glow from that distance, but as far as I can tell in the mirror, Wow. Oh my Lord. Okay, back to the palette. So I just use this color. That's the only color I use. I personally don't really like mixing up highlighters. If that's your thing, you do you. You know what I mean? I just personally don't like it. So I just use Helia on this look. What I can say, there is minimal fallout, and the like little packages and what it comes, like the little what do you call these things? God, I can't come up with a word. Anyway, this little square is quite big, so you actually do get quite a lot of product. And when I calculate the price, it's like 51 euros for 6 products. It's less than 10 bucks per highlighter. I can't even be mad at that price. You know what I mean? I mean, I thought at first like 51 euros, it's probably, honestly, that was my opinion before I had it, before I got this little fella. I thought 51 euros, that is way overpriced, that is way too much, it's probably just gonna be crap. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. But now that I got it and that I used it, even though I just used one freaking color, wow, this stuff is amazing. Again, Anastasia does Beverly Hills, they have no idea who the hell I am. Okay, I'm not sponsored, I don't have links. I just do this as a hobby because I like making videos for y'all, and you know I'm honest. So 6 highlighters for 51 euros, it's less than 10 bucks per highlighter. Actually, the price isn't even all that bad. It is expensive at once, but then again, this will last you so long, and you got so much product in here. Again, I can't be mad at the price. I honestly can't. What I've noticed is they're creamy, they're buttery, they feel so freaking nice and good. When you put them on your face, usually with like regular highlighters, I dare I say it, but the cheaper versions, let me put it that way, they're not bad highlighters, please don't get me wrong. But when I put those on my face, I actually feel it's sitting there. It feels, I know it sounds stupid, but it feels very crusty on your face, especially for someone who has dehydrated skin like me. I should actually use creams, but I don't like creams. So I use highlighters like any other. But since I have dry or actually dehydrated skin, it doesn't really feel all that great. And with these, I feel like I have nothing on my face. I literally feel like that. And honestly, because of these beautiful colors, I think you could use them as eyeshadow as well. I don't know if they're okay to use on the eyes. I'm just gonna be honest. Just make sure to check the back or contact Anastasia. Honestly, there is not a bad thing I could say about this palette. I am not gonna bash it. It's an amazing palette. Yes, 51 euros is a lot at once, but you get a lot. And this will last you so long. The colors are bright. I mean, honestly, I can't say a bad thing. I fully approve. If you want to get this kit, if you were debating, get it. Trust me, you will not regret it. Trust me. Again, price is up there, but it is so worth it. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Like I said, there are 1,000,001 other YouTubers who've done way better reviews of this palette than I, but I just received it and therefore I will review it. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!